Today on 5th September, that is on Teachers' Day, I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Myself, being a teacher, I wish myself too a very happy day and thank all my students for making a beautiful musical greeting card which I just saw yesterday. I was mesmerized to see the creativity of the students who had left no stones unturned to make the day beautiful. I know that there had been a secret plan behind and lots of good interaction, due to which you might have planned some good program for the teachers. That shows that our future is in the hands of good students, and these students are going to become great leaders like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was born on this date in the year 1888. Do you know why his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day? It is because on this day, when his students went with a few flowers to him to celebrate his birthday, he said that I will be more happy if my birthday is recognized as Teachers' Day. So he gave his birthday date to be celebrated as Teachers' Day. Maybe he wanted we all teachers to get inspiration from him and the way he used to teach. He has written a lot about methods of teaching, theology, philosophy, and about spirituality. He was born in Madras province, where a number of temples were there and there were such schools where Hinduism was taught. He learnt Advait Vedanta in his early childhood and he was master of a number of ancient languages like Prakrit and Sanskrit. Even after that, when he grew up, he did his graduation from Madras Christian College, and then he was offered a number of jobs in various universities, including University of Calcutta, Andhra University, and even Banaras Hindu University. He was invited by Madan Mohan Malviya in Banaras Hindu University to lead the university by being Vice Chancellor over there. So he had worked in a number of universities as Vice Chancellor and in colleges as principals even. He was Vice President of our country when Dr. Rajendra Prasad used to be the President during this tenure. Although his political career started late, but then whatever he contributed in terms of writing had been very helpful to we all teachers. What we still miss is his autobiography. He always used to think about humanity and being selfless to help others. And he was a true role model for we all teachers to follow. He was a good philosopher, he was a good writer, he was good in his subjects, and he was a good social worker too. So he had a number of different talents with which he served the country. He was recognized for being eligible to be given Nobel Prize 16 times. He was nominated for Nobel Prize 16 times and for Nobel Peace Prize 11 times. So you can imagine how good his writing used to be. Today, I request all my students and those who are listening to the video to go through the life of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and his contributions in the field of teaching and leadership. He was a leader who was known for his charisma and influence. He used to lead with influence and with examples. We all know that teaching requires lots of leadership skills, and without being influential, we cannot lead anyone. So he was very influential and his examples were worth to be followed. So we teachers, even if we develop 1% of his quality, maybe our life will have a great value and magnitude to be measured. So I congratulate all the teachers for their wonderful career as a teacher, a very promising career as a teacher, and I wish the coming generation to at least devote a few years of their life in teaching, and they may also think of taking it as a /career, because It is highly rewarding, satisfying, and enriching. We learn twice when we teach once. Most of the teachers are not the toppers, but all the teachers, they aim towards making students become toppers. Why is it so? Because they all wanted to become toppers when they were in the classroom, but due to some problem or the other, which they have picked up to solve in their lifetime, they have become teachers by choice. So, in your studenthood, if you find that if there is any room for improvement in teaching, please exemplify your performance as a teacher, and that will be a great gift on this day, and that will be a great contribution in the life of, or in the field of teaching, and in the field of the subject which you will choose. So without speaking anything much about all these, and without taking so much of time, because you might be getting a number of well-wishing videos and greeting videos from your friends and teachers, I recommend you all to please go through the Wikipedia and other resources to learn about the life of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you.